Hello guys, good morning and welcome once again to this channel. Uh, we want to talk about how to link your LifePlayMal account into to your LBank wallet in order to be able to withdraw from LifePlayMal to LBank. Eventually, you all know that from 1st December 2021, LifePlayMal has moved to the public blockchain, which is LifePlayMal 2.0, and that transfer withdrawals are no more done with member ID, but rather with public ID, with wallet ID. Good. So from now on, if you want to send money from this platform or want to receive money from this platform, you have to use your wallet ID, which is here. Your wallet ID, which is here. That is what we are going to use from now on. So if you notice the platform, there is no much changes on the platform. Everything seems to be same, just that at this section we have now financial data and blockchain data. So in the financial data, it's just like a centralized section, centralized wallet for LifePlayMal 2.0, and the blockchain session here is like decentralized wallet for LifePlayMal 2.0. So in the financial data, just that is here, you can withdraw your fund. You can withdraw eventually your fund through the company. You know, the Limo coin, since 1st December 2021 that they moved to the public blockchain, Limo dollar is no more in use. It's now Limo coin, but you can still withdraw if you like. You can still withdraw through the company, and that it is going to be $1 for one Limo coin. So all that you see here is now Limo coin. So if you want to withdraw to the company, eventually to the financial data, you get your Limo coin with paid to $1 exactly. Even at that point, the parent company, Seamstress, guarantees that if the Limo coin is less than $1, it's prepared, ready to buy it at $1. So if you decide to withdraw through the financial data, through the centralized wallet, that is it. Even if the Limo coin is $10, $15, $20 on the market, you still have it at $1 through the financial data. So on the blockchain, here we are on the blockchain. You have your Limo coins here, and then here you can withdraw to the blockchain. And if you withdraw to the blockchain, you know, eventually it is Limo coins. For instance, this one I have here, 234 Limo coins, which is actually like in the financial or the centralized wallet, it is $234. But if it is the blockchain, like I withdraw it right now onto like say LBank swap or Pancake swap, if I go there, Limo coin at this moment is around $4-5. So imagine the money I can make from the blockchain. So this is so that is it. If you want to actually do that, first of all, if you want to withdraw in blockchain, so you have to transfer all your money here, in the financial data, especially in this yellow section, which has this green tab send to blockchain. So you need first to send your money here your Limo coins here into the blockchain. So when you send them, they will disappear here, and you see them later after some minutes or few hours. You see them here, total earnings sent. You see them here, and then after the blockchain approval, you see them here. Like you can notice my own 234, and then later you see the balance here. That is how you get your Limo coins after sending them from the financial data onto the blockchain. Exactly. So for the purpose of this video, we said that we want to link this account LiPlima platform to L-Bank. So if we want to do that, what we have to do is that we have to go to where? We have to go to this session. Normally here withdrawal, it is here. Finance data, you see withdrawal here. See withdrawal here if you want to withdraw. So when it's available, you see the withdraw here. But first of all, let's link our account to for that matter, to link the account, to link LiPlima to L-Bank, we come to settings, then we go to payment settings. Go to payment settings. So here you see blockchain wallet, payer wallet, mobile payment. These and the LiPlima Visa card, these are reserved for the financial data, that is the centralized wallet. Withdrawal with the centralized wallet, where the Limo coin is at $1. So I just mentioned it. Even if the Limo coin is $5, $10, $20 on the market, if you decide to withdraw through the centralized wallet, that is what these are available for you, and the Limo coin at $1. But if you want to go through the blockchain, so you come here, you come to this one, SMB wallet. I'm sure this will be changed very soon to LMC wallet to differentiate between the same coin and the Limo coin. So, but for now, we use this portion. So here we use here for the blockchain withdrawal. So what's going to happen is that we go to L-Bank. You go to L-Bank to get our address. So you come to wallet. So if you don't have L-Bank account at this time, please, the link is down below this video. Just pick the link and create your account on L-Bank and link it to your LiPlima so that you can easily withdraw your funds. So we come here, then we click on spot. Spot, we go to deposit. Deposit. Here we change this one to LMC, Limo coin swap. Just have to tap it here, LMC, exactly, Limo coin swap. Exactly here. So you read this section. There is a notice here which is very important to know before you proceed to the link between the two platforms. So here you just click on agree, and then you have your wallet address here. So this address, we are going to copy it and paste it onto the LiPlima platform and link it so that when the withdrawal becomes available, then you can easily withdraw your fund. So we copy here. You see deposit address is copied successfully. Then you come to LiPlima, then you paste it in this section. paste it here. Paste it here. Then you update, and then notice here we have the choice to use ERC20 address and the BEP20 address. Right now is BEP, that is Binance Smart Chain address, which is in use now. So please, when you are copying the address, you see that they put it here, BEP20, Binance Smart Chain address. So that is what we are using. So once you put the address, you just have to make updates. You see, update successful. So now we link our L-Bank account to LivePlayMark. So we come back to our dashboard, and then we wait for our Limo coins to appear here. The Limo coin that we sent to the blockchain, from here they will appear here, then later they will come here. So once your Limo coins are available in this section, you can now withdraw. So for that matter, for the withdrawal, what you have to do is just have to go to here. I was mentioning it right now, finance. Here it's not available at the moment, so you press the withdraw, and then you see that you'll be taken through some prompts, and then you send your Limo coin easily to L-Bank. So on L-Bank, once you have your Limo coin, it will show here in the spot. Once you send your Limo coin here, it will show in the spot. So for that matter, you just have to come here, go to wallet, and press on spot. Then you have your Limo coin in the spot. So you have your Limo coin here. This is the spot. All the coins listed here. So you have your Limo coin here. I have my own here. So if you send your Limo coin from LivePlayMark, it will appear in the spot here. Limo coin spot. If it's not here, you just have to type Limo coin. You type LMC here, and then it will come up for you to see. You see, so LMC swap. So I have some available here. So that is how it will appear if you send it from the LivePlayMark account. So since the objective is to have the Limo coins in USDT, and then later transfer them to Binance, Coinbase, or any other platform in order to have it in Bitcoin or Ethereum. So once you have your Limo coin, you can now swap it here on this platform. So for that, what you have to do is simple. Go to trade. You click on trade. You see, and then you'll be taken to the market for the swap. Exactly. Here we are. This is the market. You can see your Limo coin symbol here. Limo coin pair against USDT here. Here we are. At this time, the Limo coin is 3.3. Yesterday was 4.7 or so. It's kind of dropping. So here we are. So this is the price, the actual price, the market price. So at this point, we'll use here for the swap. So we want to actually sell our Limo coin in order to get USDT, that is data. So once you are here, you check here, you see the limit. It's on limit. By default, it's on limit. So you have to turn it to market. Limit is just like you want to buy it at a certain price or a certain rate. So you set the limit. But here we want to buy it at the current rate. So we press on market. Then we adjust the number of Limo coin we want to buy. If we want to sell, the amount of Limo coin you want to sell, because you have the Limo coin, you want to change it to USDT. So if I sell 75%, let's say this is 50%, so that is half of my available Limo coin, and this is the value. This is what I have available, the quantity, and this is the value. So if I want to sell half, so you see, divided by 2, I have 0.7 I want to sell. But right now, the way it is, I want to sell, like if I want to sell all, I can press it here, 100% means that I'm selling all. But I can also sell 75%, which is 1 something. So I'll be left with some 0.3 something there. So once you adjust this amount, this percentage, so just have to click on sell. So you see, you just have to confirm now, confirm order, then I'll press confirm. Order placed successfully. So you see that my that is my Limo coin swap. You see that the quantity has actually dropped, and the value also has gone down. So you see, so that is exactly what happens. That's what I sold. So if we go back to our dashboard in LMC, and then we refresh it, let's refresh it and see our available Limo coin. So it will reduce. It will reduce. I sold almost 1 point something, so it will go down. And then you see that the USDT will now go up. Here we are. You see the Limo coin, which was 1.4 something, is now 0.36, and then you see that the USDT has actually gone up. The Limo coin, you see the value is now down, and this is here, it has been added to USDT. So once you have your USDT and then you want to send it to another platform like Binance, Pamama, whatever, you want to send it there in order to have it in BTC or whatever, so you just have to press withdraw here. So once you press the withdraw here, exactly, once you press the withdraw here, you choose now the network. Let's say if I'm sending it to the Ethereum network, if I'm sending it to Ethereum network, so I have to choose ERC20. If it's Tron network, I have to choose TRC20, and if it's Binance Smart Chain, I have to choose BEP20. So this is how it is. And then they say the transfer amount, the external wallet address has a minimum limit of, I think the minimum you can send outside $60. So this is the way it is. Once you enter the address of the platform you want to send your USDT to, if it is, let's say, Binance, take the example of Binance, so you copy the address, Binance BEP20 address of USDT over there, you paste it here, you put the amount you want to withdraw, and then you go to go. Just put the notes, and then the fee will be applied, and you can easily send your USDT to Binance platform. Exactly. So that is how you actually link your account, your LivePayMall account to L Bank, make a withdrawal, swap the Limo coin into USDT, and now transfer the USDT to another platform. So that is what we want to show in this video. Please, if you are yet to subscribe to this channel, you are new to this channel, please subscribe and activate the notification bell so that you don't miss the next updates. Thank you for watching and keep safe.